Hi guys, I Hi guys, I'm back again with the video of mine, and as you people must have read, the title of the video is about Mumbai street shopping, and shopping is something which we chicks are obsessed with. This video is basically about the Alpha Market, which is located in Vile Pale West. I usually shop bags and shoes only from that market, so I'm going to show you my bag collection, like whatever I shop from that market. So I'm going to show you that today in my this video and give my reviews about each and every bag that I bought from that market. So let's just start. This bag is something which I bought on 2018, I suppose, and since then it is the fabric and everything is up to the mark. Only thing has happened is these golden things are losing their color, but they haven't tarnished so much. But this bag, the quality and everything is so amazing. I just love everything about this bag. The fabric is really amazing. I just love the fabric. I've used this bag so much since 2018. I'm using it, and the fabric is just up to the mark. So the next thing, I'm going to open this bag. This is a really very cute lock which is there with flower on it. So now I'm going to show you the inside space of this bag. I've opened the chain, and this is the space area. You can see it has a good amount of space. Sling bag might can have. So this is a small pocket area is also there. Everything is there, you can see. So these two pockets are also provided. So there's a huge amount of space is there. I got a 10 rupee note in this. So this is a space area, and now I'm going to show you the back part of the bag. Here is a small chain which is also provided in the bag. This is the chain. See. Oh my god, the local ticket. I just love this bag. So the second bag is a replica of Chanel. Now you people must be laughing at me just because I'm using a replica of Chanel. Just because I don't earn so much, neither my father earns so much, so I can't afford a Chanel bag. So a replica is something which I bought for myself. So please bear with the replica one, because this is only I can afford. So now I'm gonna open it. Show you and how exactly, like, the fabric is amazing. Even if it is a replica, I remember the real one, guys, but the fabric is really amazing. Now I'll be opening it, and it has an amazing space. This is like one open area is provided, and then there is one more open area, and then here is the kachra, guys. This is the stuff material which they provide, guys. So sorry. So this is the space. You can see large amount of space is there. You can put a lot amount of things can come in this bag. As you can see, you can put your whole life into it. It has so much space, guys. You see? Just kidding. So I just love the fact because it is a shoulder bag. Not only shoulder bag, you can also put this chain like this. You can use it as a sling. So you get a 2-in-1 option, guys. The chain is also an amazing one. I love the chain. This is how the chain looks. So this is how the bag is. And this is the back part. It has a small pocket area which is provided here. And if you're a Mumbaiker, you can put your local train ka ticket over here, which is what I do when I use this bag in local trains. So let's just move on to the third bag. So the third bag, it's a Gucci one. This is again a replica, guys. Don't think I'm rich enough to buy a real one. So this is how the bag looks. It is a sling bag, guys. Now I'll be opening it. This is a chain. The chain is amazing, even though it's a replica still. So here an extra fabric is provided, and this part is the chain one. You can use it as a shoulder bag as well. Like if you do it like this, it can be used as a shoulder bag. And you can it can also be used as a sling. So this is how the fabric looks. The fabric is pretty amazing, I must say, even though it's a replica, guys, still. And this is a space. For a sling bag, we consider a lot amount of space, right? So, and it also has this small chain area inside it. I can show you. This is the chain area. Can you see? So this is how the bag looks. It's pretty amazing. I just love the color and everything about it, and it caught my eyes just the moment I saw it, which is why I bought it for myself. And you people are free to judge that I'm using a replica. It's the fourth bag which I'm going to show you. I don't know whether it is a replica of any popular brand or not, but I love the texture and the fabric and the shape of this bag. It looks like it looks pretty cute. It is a pink color, and the fabric, it is smoother on my skin. Fabric is really amazing with this bag. I loved it the moment I saw it. So now I'll be opening it and I'll be showing you that how exactly the inside space and everything looks. So now I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna show you the space. So this is the space. I'm so sorry guys if you see any kind of stuff inside the bag, just because I have purchased all of these bags in just this year in March. So sorry for that. It can be also made into a sling, and this chain is provided. This is not a chain, but it is a fabric kind of a sling. This is a sling which is provided with it, and I haven't opened it because I haven't used it till now. So this is a space. It is also having a mid space. You can put anything in this, and then there's a small pocket behind as well. And here also there are two small spaces which are provided. So it's pretty amazing, and I loved the texture and everything. And this is also something which is provided with it. This small ribbon. So the next bag is in the shade black. I love black, and I've started loving black actually. I never loved black earlier. You must be thinking, who doesn't love black? It is me who never loved black. But now I have started loving black. I don't know why. So this bag is something which caught my eyes when I saw it, because of this small gold, embroidered material which is attached on this bag. They look amazing and pretty dope as fuck. For chicks who are a bit edgy, these kind of bags would look amazing with them. And I love the fact that these things, like something which is something new which has been provided in this kind of fabric. Earlier I have bags which have this kind of fabric, but this embroidered thing is not there in those bags. I loved this. So this is the beads, golden beads which are there. I loved this thing about the bag. So now I'll be opening it and I'll be showing you. This is a chain. I've already opened it for you people. And the amount which a sling bag should actually have, this bag has that amount of space. Like, I should say more amount of space that this bag has. Not only this, they have also provided this thing with the bag. You can make it into a sling, and these two can be attached over here, and you can hang it on your shoulder. Here you can attach it and you can hang it on your shoulder. But I prefer holding it and then carrying it, because I don't like putting it here on the shoulder and then going. I just like it to hold it. So that's how I use it. I love this bag. So moving on to the next bag. So the next bag which I have is which I shopped from Aftermarket is this one. I saw this on this online site. I don't remember the name of the site actually, but it caught my eyes then and there because of its unique style and everything. And I don't have anything which is of this kind of style in my wardrobe, so I just upgraded my wardrobe and I bought this for myself. It costed me around 999 I suppose. So they have also provided you with this chain. You can hang it like this as a sling, and also you can hold it. So there are two options which are provided. This dialer is also provided, but you can't dial, okay guys. So now I'll be opening it and I'm going to show you the inside space. Also I make bad jokes, so please excuse me for that. So now I'll be opening it, guys. I'm so sorry, I'm recording it with my one hand and opening it with the other. So the kachora is still there. I did not remove it so that they remain stuck. So this is the space, as you all can see. Massive amount of space is there. Like not much, but right amount of space is there wherein you can put your basic necessary items and go on outside and meet your friends. So also, and it looks very unique, so and it can also go with a lot of cute attires if you have in your wardrobe. That's why I bought this. So let's just move on to the next bag. The last bag which I got was this one. This is something which I got because I usually go to my college, and I thought it would be a right option to buy this one because in college you need a little bigger bag. So this was a plus point and I bought this. But since then the college is closed and online classes are happening, so I can't do anything instead of just showing it in a YouTube video. So just made a YouTube video out of it. At least I'm using it somewhere, right? So this is how the bag looks in the front, and this is how it looks in the back. No, this is the front of the back, I don't know, but this is how it looks here and this is how it looks here. These are the two sides. Now moving on to the space part, I'll be showing you the space inside the bag. This is a chain which is provided. I've already opened it, guys. So it has an ample amount of space. I bought this just because I can keep my registers while going to my college, and this part I could use it for my makeup part. I can put my basic tissue papers or sanitary pads or whatever I can keep in this, and in this area also I can keep something. So these two things are also provided with this bag. I don't know what they are. I haven't opened it till now. Like this is so this is something which might make the bag look cool as well. And when you want to look casual, you can go for this kind of strap. And if you want to go elegant and decent, then you can, if you want to go to an office, then you can go for this kind of strap. And the smallest bag which I got was this one. This is a small keychain sort of a bag. You can use it as a keychain as well. I bought this just because I have a lot of coins in my bag, so this is something which can keep them in place. And whenever I'm fetching for them, I can just look for this bag and I can find my coins. So I bought this for that. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, guys. I hope you all liked my video, and please show me some love, guys. I need your love and support because I'm new to this YouTube space and I need your love, guys. So please like my videos, please give me views, and please share my videos and also subscribe my channel.